of my face has got makeup and the other side is bare. Why is that? Maybe we have a new product. Ah!
Hey there. It's Yolz channel.
Finally, I can actually share with you one of our most exciting launches, our very own cleansing balm. I am super excited about launching this product because Yolz Beauty has been working on it for the longest time. But besides that, it is actually an amazing product. We have tested it on many different faces, people who didn't even know this was our product, and the feedback has been absolutely mind-blowing. I did my face on one side, and on the other side I just kept it as my normal skincare routine with SPF to show you how our Melt My Day Away cleansing balm can literally melt your day away, whether you've got a full face beat or you are actually just gone about your day with your full skincare routine, and of course have layered your SPF once, twice, or even 3 times in that day, reapplying it however many times you normally do, and this being your first step to your double cleanse routine. Let's be real here, Yolz Beauty Squad absolutely loves packaging. I don't know what y'all have, but y'all have a thing for packaging, so this time we refocused on packaging. Remember when we launched a year ago, the biggest brag was the packaging. I don't know what's inside, but the packaging. And obviously y'all opened what was inside. It was our sheet masks and you absolutely loved them as well. So this time let me show you the packaging, and let's start off over there. So on the packaging, of course, on the top is our logo and the name of this cleansing balm. This is the Melt My Day Away cleansing balm. It's got the same thing right in front, and then because Yolz loves detail, I wanted to show you the product just in case it might be on the shelves very soon, so that you know exactly what you are purchasing, you know what I'm saying? And then of course we've got our directions and ingredient list right on this side. It is fragrance free because I just don't like a lot of fragrance in my products. Let's get into the actual product. It's the Yolz Beauty logo on top, as you can see. The similar details on the back side of the actual packaging, really talking about it being fragrance free, giving you the directions on how to use it, and the ingredients as well for makeup removal as well as SPF removal. In fact, like I say, I use it in my skincare. It's the first step to my double cleansing routine. It's for all skin types, honey, you know. So you get your mini spoon because we want to also practice the highest hygiene. We want you to feel like you can actually dig into it whenever. As long as you keep your scoop clean, you are good to go. And obviously inside is the actual balm. So obviously I need to demonstrate how this works. Let's get it. Girl, you don't need too much, but I'm gonna do the most. This is all I'm going to use for half of my face. You don't actually have to place this on your face, especially if you won't be washing it immediately. But once you have done that, you literally just gently rub it in. Let me lift my cap. I want it to look cool. I want it to look like yum yums, you know? I usually do my lips separately, but it's really up to you on how you remove your makeup. So you will rub your face about 30 to 60 seconds. If you want to include your lip in there, you can do that. I just don't want to look like a ghost. I already look weird here, and it's just gonna be real awkward, you know what I mean? Let me not forget the neck because I drag my foundation. Now for you to add a wet cloth. I prefer warm water because I wash my face with warm water, not hot, lukewarm to warm water. But I wanted to test it out with cold water and actually show you how much it actually removes. There we go. There you have it. And now to go into the inner corners of my eye. My eye makeup is safely removed. Just make sure to be gentle on your face, obviously. This is all my makeup gone. Foundation, concealer, powder, all those layers. Zonke, it's gone. And then for your lips, I'm gonna cheat and actually use my fingers. Don't use your fingers, don't be like y'all's. Oh, this is too much. This is actually already like a lot. I'm not gonna put it back. Hygiene. You can literally literally rub for 30 seconds. This is a matte lipstick because you're demonstrating something here. In terms of lipsticks, I actually used my MAC High Drama Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color. Here we are. One swipe, two swipe. That's my lips. Still with cold, damp cloth. Again, like I said, you can use any that you like. Hot, cold, lukewarm, you choose where you are. And there you have it. My skin is clean. Obviously, I would actually advise for you to wash your skin again with your favorite cleanser, just because I double cleanse myself. This is just to remove the makeup. I know of other people who go back again and use this as a cleanser. You can feel free to do that as well. So obviously on this side, I didn't have any makeup whatsoever. This is the part where I'm like, well, you can still actually use this very product on the other side of your face as your first step of cleansing. Again, I'm going to use my finger because my spoon be dirty. You don't need that much. Just simply cleanse your face. Rub this for 60 seconds. Go under your tap or your basin or the shower and just rinse it off. It does rinse off quite nicely with warm water in the shower. Or alternatively, while you are finishing off that movie with Bae who doesn't want to wait for you while you do your skincare routine, you can start your cleansing in the lounge. And then go to the bathroom, do another cleanse with your face wash, then apply your toner, your serum, your moisturizer, and of course your eye cream if you've got an eye cream to bed. Or if you're still gonna go about your day, you obviously have to apply your SPF. No more going to bed with your face not being washed. That is how you remove your makeup or your SPF using our multi-day away cleansing balm. I'm super excited for this launch. Check it down in the description box down here. I'm super excited for this and I can't wait to share this baby with you.